Hello, my children. I hope all are very fine today. I am back with your English class. Do you know who I am? Yes, I am Miss Hemamala. I am going to tell you a story. I hope all like stories very much. Once there lived a very happy family. They were very happy and spending time together always. One day, the father and his daughter were spending time together. He asked his daughter,
What is your future dream, my baby?
His daughter answered his question. The father was surprised on her reply. Can you guess what was her dream? Her answer was,
My dream is to become a roboticist.
Her father asked.
Do you know who is a roboticist?
The daughter said,
Yes, I do, Dad. Roboticist is one who makes robots.
Very good, my dear. Tell me something about robots.
A robot is a machine designed by people to do a specific job, and scientists who designs and make robots are called roboticists. Most robots do jobs that people can't do or don't want to do.
Interesting, my dear. You know so much about robots. I feel very happy. I wish that your dreams come true.
So, children, did you all like the story? I hope yes. What did you learn from the story? I think all will have different ideas about the story. Right, now take your notebook and write what did you know or learn from the story. This is one of your assignments. I'm eagerly waiting for your answers. You can get your parents' help but not their ideas. And along with that, add one more thing. What is your dream in your future? I'm waiting. Okay, now back to the class. By now, you would have guessed the topic of the lesson we are going to see today. Yes, it is all about robots. The name of the first lesson in your Term 1 book is The Trick Robot. The lesson is given in the form of a comic strip. What is a comic? Comic is a magazine or a book that contains a set of stories told in pictures with a small amount of writing. Back to the lesson. The Trick Robot is a lesson about a robot which is very smart in making a lazy boy into an active one. We shall see picture by picture. The first picture, I shall read it for you. Follow it, children. Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his things back in the right place. He pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy, so he bought him a trick robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. Vicky pleaded his father. Pleaded means asking for something very emotionally. Vicky's father tells him,
Vicky, I have bought you a robot. This intelligent robot will do all your work. Enjoy.
So, Vicky feels very happy for a new robot to do all his day-to-day activities. Vicky is excited to test his new robot. Excited means feeling very eager to know what is it. For example, when you receive a gift, how do you feel, children? You feel very excited to open the gift box and know what is inside, right? Same feeling. Vicky says,
I am hungry. Cook some salad for me.
I do not eat salad, so I cannot make a salad.
Vicky feels very hungry and orders the robot to make some salad for him. Do you know what is salad? Salad is a mixture of cooked or raw vegetables we eat, children. Does the robot accept his order? No. It says I cannot do your salad. Vicky gets quite irritated and then he asks the robot,
What? You are a robot. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room now.
The robot answered,
Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that.
Robot even refuses this job. What is meant by refuse? Refuse means saying no to something asked to you. So, the robot doesn't want to strain itself. What is meant by strain? Strain means force. Vicky gets even more wilder and shouts at the robot.
Really? I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone.
But the robot was very cool and answered Vicky back.
Why don't you do that yourself? I must make some calls.
Even after becoming so tired, Vicky doesn't stop ordering the robot.
I have a headache now. Get me a cup of hot tea.
The robot answered.
My battery is draining by listening to you. First you charge my battery.
Even now, the robot doesn't want to help Vicky, so he just refuses this also. Vicky becomes so tired but never stops ordering.
I am tired of you. Play me a pleasant song. I want to relax.
Vicky wants the robot to play a pleasant song for him. What is meant by pleasant? Pleasant means a sense of happiness or enjoyment. What did the robot reply?
That's a great idea. Why don't you play me one?
Do you think it is a good robot? This time, Vicky was done with the robot. He started shouting at it.
Oh no, Dad. Please sell this robot. It is totally useless.
Yes, this time please sell me to an active master. I don't want to work for lazy people.
So now, Vicky realized how lazy he was and was depending on somebody or something to do his own jobs. Vicky felt very bad and asked the robot,
Really? Is that why you did not help me?
Vicky realized his fault and started doing his jobs on his own.
No more robots for me. I will do all the work myself.
So, children, what did you learn from the story? Yes, laziness is a very bad habit. Keeping ourselves active makes our body and mind healthy. As we all are in holidays for a longer period, we may feel lazy at home, isn't it? But you can keep yourself active by helping your parents and grandparents, and now you can keep yourself active by doing your assignments and learning for the forthcoming tests. Now we are at the end of the class. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson well, isn't it, children? Not only enjoyment, you have also learnt a value from the lesson. Also, an assignment is given in the middle of the class. Kindly do it and send it to me. The text will be sent to you through Google Classroom. Kindly write it in a notebook and learn it. A test will be conducted on it shortly. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.